Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at a very long selfie stick from Lammcou. It's good for your action cam, but you can find adapters to use it with your mobile phone as well. So let's see what we get in the box. So we get an adapter, which is quite interesting. Actually, no, it's not that interesting. It is an adapter. They kindly give you a strap as well and a carabiner, which you can use. So this is the selfie stick itself. I believe it looks really nice. Lammcou. This is made of some rubber finish, which is very fine. There's a place in here. There's a screw in there for a tripod mount in there, which you probably buy separately. And this is where you screw this in place. Oh. Yeah, so you put that in place pretty much like that, and then you remove this and you connect your action cam. Yeah, you put that in position like so, and then you expand. And guys, this is long, yeah, it's super long. I'll keep on going, so I won't be able to show you how long it is, but trust me, it is very long. So look at this, yeah, this goes through there and keeps going, 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 and going and going and going, and that's the end of it. So it's brilliant for those cams that allow you to do like to make the selfie stick disappear somehow. So yeah, but it's closing really nice. It's really easy to close and open, and it has a bit of like a pressure, kind of like a vacuum that you feel when you close it and you open it. It's also nice for vlogging. You can hold it like this, and it's very thin, so I really like that. So yeah, I definitely recommend this selfie stick. Thank you for watching.